Hi everyone, this is Brian with Obedia and PC Audio Labs. We are taking a quick look today at the PreSonus Studio 192 Mobile. This is the smaller, more mobile version of the PreSonus Studio 192, which is a full rack width audio interface, and we have taken a look at that here on our channel before, but today I just want to show you guys the Studio 192 Mobile. It is a 22 by 26 USB 3.0 audio interface. It's also a studio command center. It's going to allow you to take command of your studio, do things such as talkback and various other functions using just this one device. And let's just talk real quickly about what is featured on it. It has a solid metal chassis. I always really like PreSonus chassis design, and this one is definitely no exception. Love the design of it, brushed aluminum, super sleek looking. The front panel has mic and instrument inputs with XMAX preamps, meaning that you can simply plug a mic into this and get going. You don't necessarily need to use an external preamp. You have preamp controls and display that you will be able to make use of on the front of the interface. 8 LED input meters with phantom power status. You got those right over here. You also have main left and right output meters and a main output knob and a headphone with a dedicated control. This is really important because this way you have a separate output for all of your headphones. Off of the Studio 192 Mobile, your headphone mix can be a separate mix from your main output mix. So I could see the Studio 192 Mobile being very usable potentially for also not only folks who are recording mobile, but also potentially for DJs, because that dedicated headphone amp is really important. Of course, the most standout feature of the Studio 192 Mobile is that it is a USB 3.0 audio interface, and those are not as common these days, and this is one that actually will operate at USB 3.0 speed, and one of the things that allows it to do is to record at the very high sample rate of 192 kilohertz. So what that means is that you're going to be able to get the highest possible sample rate that you really can for your audio recordings using the Studio 192. The USB 3.0 connection is going to give you some of that extra speed that you need in order to be able to transfer all of that data, because remember, a higher sample rate means much larger files that you're going to record on your system. It means, of course, more data, and you need a way to transfer that to your computer. And that USB 3.0 connection is going to allow you to do that. Now, of course, if you pair up the Studio 192 with a proper computer, that's going to give you the complete package that you need for being able to record. As a result, make sure to check out PCAudiolabs.com. There you could pair up the Studio 192 with a Pro Audio desktop computer or a Pro Audio laptop computer for easy mobile recording, mixing, and etc. The Studio 192 Mobile will also come with Studio One Artist, which is PreSonus's digital audio workstation software, and one of my favorite pieces of software. And of course, you can find information about that at PreSonus.com. But everything that you get in the box here is meant to basically allow you to get up and running recording very quickly and easily. Add some microphones, headphones, other cables, and you are ready to go. Let's just take a quick look at the back of the unit. And the back of the Studio 192 Mobile is pretty straightforward. You're going to find, of course, your power input port. You're also going to find optical inputs and outputs. This is going to allow you, of course, to connect via optical connection to other devices. You'll find SPDIF, standard SPDIF in and out. You will also find right here word clock in and out. So if you're looking to clock the device to other devices, you can do that very easily. Then you're going to find your main output, your sub outputs, 3, 4, and 1 and 2. These are your extra outputs. And then you'll find an extra set of inputs on the back, inputs 3 and 4. So when it comes to physical ins and outs on the device, you're going to find that, of course, the Studio 192 Mobile is going to be a little more limited than the Studio 192 with the number of physical ins and outs that it's going to have. I don't think that's going to be a problem for many folks because, again, this is a mobile interface. So you could, of course, use this in the studio, but if you are out on the road doing field recording, things like that, you probably don't necessarily need to be running 8 microphones and etc. So I think that that's probably going to be okay. But if you do really need more mic inputs and line outputs, you'll want to check out an interface like the Studio 192. And there you have it, guys. It's just a quick look at the Studio 192 Mobile. Now remember, you can always get more information about the Studio 192 Mobile and purchase it directly from us here at PC Audio Labs in Obedia by going to PCAudiolabs.com. There we have audio interfaces that you need, pro audio computers that you can pair up with your audio interfaces, everything that you need to get up and running and making music, all in one quick and easy step. Now, if you do have questions about the Studio 192 Mobile, if I missed anything on this quick overview or anything like that, please do feel free to be in touch. Overall, really awesome interface. I personally love everything that PreSonus makes. I use a lot of it, and I've always really enjoyed it. If you do have questions, please do feel free to let me know. As always, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Brian. I'm with Obedia and PC Audio Labs. Until next time, happy music making to you, and take care.
Today's pro audio hardware and software can give you excellent results if you know how to use it properly. Obedia can help you to get the most out of your pro audio hardware and software. Why spend your time scouring the internet for answers or digging through manuals? With one quick call to an Obedia technician, you'll be connected with someone who can give you the answers that you need in real time via phone and remote desktop. Obedia technicians are trained in all major digital audio applications on Mac, PC, iOS, and Android devices. Obedia member subscriptions are cost-effective, give you great member benefits, and Obedia is here 7 days a week to help you get the most out of your digital audio hardware and software. No matter what your level of expertise, Obedia can help you to stay focused and productive and get your music back on track. Start taming your technology today with Obedia.